Hi, are you new to eWay-CRM online and want to have it always at hand? Pin it onto your Windows taskbar and open it instantly like any other app, without the need to go to your browser first. I'm Eve, your virtual consultant, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's get started. I'm using Microsoft Edge, but the steps are similar in Google Chrome. I'll show you later. First, go to app.eway-crm.com to open eWay-CRM online and log in. Once you're logged in, click three dots in the top right corner of your browser. Go to the Apps and select Install eWay-CRM Online. You'll see a dialog box asking you to confirm the installation. Go ahead and click Install. Microsoft Edge turns eWay-CRM Online into an app and opens it right away. You will be asked to pin a shortcut to the taskbar or Start menu onto your desktop or to start the app automatically when you turn on your computer. Make sure you keep Pin to Taskbar checked and set the rest according to your preferences. When you're done, click Allow. Confirm your request and we're done. eWay-CRM Online is in my taskbar. If you prefer Google Chrome, log in to eWay-CRM Online and click on the three dots in the top right corner. Go to Save and Share and select Install eWay-CRM Online. Confirm the installation by clicking Install. And just like with Microsoft Edge, Windows will now ask you to confirm the request to pin the eWay-CRM Online shortcut to the taskbar. Just click Yes and we're done. It's easy. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button below and make sure to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorials. You can also join our Reddit group and chat with other users. And most importantly, be effective with eWay-CRM.